Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and it's me, LIAHKATE, and for today's video, I'm doing some product review. So, ang ipo-product review ko ay ang paborito kong berries. So, berries BYS eyeshadow palette. So guys, I've been playing with this for I think 3 months now. So guys, meron tong dalawang panglagay ng eyeshadow. Well, I don't use it. So, I tapon na lang. Tapos, so guys, ito yung itsura niya. Pag binuksan mo, meron siyang mirror. Malaking mirror. So guys, as you can see, these are the colors. So, it's beautiful colors. It has 9 mattes and 3 shimmers. So guys, ako, mahilig ako sa matte shades. So, I really like this palette kasi bihira lang ako makakita ng palette na mas marami yung matte kesa sa shimmer. I'm gonna swatch this guys for you. So, let's start with the shade, the lighter shade. So, ayan guys, swatch ko lang siya dito sa akin para mas makita nyo. So, tuloy na tayo. Then, I'm gonna swatch this Radiance. So, ayan guys. I'm gonna swatch this as well, this glow. So, ito yung mga highlight niya, guys. Maganda yung pigment niya. And the pigmentation is really good. Tapos, itong sundown. Ayan. This one is Majestic. This one is Royalty. So, ayan guys. Ito naman yung paborito ko dito is the Cherry Bomb. The red one. And then this one, Juliet. Ayan guys. And then let's go this Berry Haze. Berry Haze. Ayan. Tapos ito, Antique. So guys, hanggang dulo na tayo ng siko ko. And then this one shade, Shaded. So ayan guys. So ayan guys. I hope you see all the shades. Here are the shades. So ayan guys. So guys, nabili ko tong sale. Nag 750 siya. From the original price niya na 1,150 sa SM or sa Watsons, meron din siya. And, ang sabi dito, nung time na yun, parang anniversary nung brand nila, kaya siya sale. By the way, this brand is from Australia. And, yun yung na-research ko dito. Galing siya sa Australia. And then, guys, sobrang pigmented itong BYS. So, without any daldal na, let's start this eyeshadow thing. Guys, so let's start with my eyeshadow. So, I'm using this CLUTZ brushes from Tapered Blender. And I'm gonna use this peachy for the base. I'm gonna put some base here. So, ayan guys. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. Halamin yung fallout, guys. Yung shade na peachy, powdery siya talaga. So, guys, I'm gonna use this Majestic as my transition shade. So, I'm using this rounded blender for my transition shade. So, ayan, guys. Guys, as you can see, it's very pigmented. Hindi lahat siya powdery. May slight na. Ganun naman talaga pag matte. Meron naman talagang konting fallout. Pero yung peachy niya sobrang powdery. Nakalagay na ako ng transition shade. All I need to do is blend it out. Kasi kailangan talagang ma-blend, blend siya ng bonggang-bongga. So, the secret to a good eyeshadow is the blending, guys. Kaya dapat meron din kayong magandang tools for this one. And then guys, I'm gonna use this flat shader. I'm using this Juliet. Aura lang tayo ng slight. Aura. I'm gonna put this in my lid. Violet ang peg natin yun. So guys, I'm gonna use this crease brush and CLUTZ pa rin. I'm gonna use this cherry bomb. Powdery siya guys, kaya kailangan i-tap nyo yung excess. Does this powdery bothers me? No, hindi naman niya ako pinabother. So I'll just put this in my crease. So, ayan guys. Itong cherry bomb. Powdery siya talaga. Gonna use this flat blender. I'm gonna use this flat blender and use this berry shade. Dito sa gitna. Para lang magkaroon ng highlight and some dimension. So, ayan. So guys, I'm gonna use this antique and shader. Pag-blend ko lang tong dalawa para sa dulo ng outer eyelid. So I'm using this Marionade Iced N37. So, dito, lalagyan ko lang siya dito, guys. Saka dito. Tapos guys, lalagyan ko lang din siya ng royalty sa taas. Para may onting brownish red. So guys, i-blend ko lang din pa. So guys, I'm gonna use this brush, yung ganitong flat, para dun sa... I'm gonna use this glow. And then, a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. So, ayun. So, lalagyan ko lang siya para mas kumapit siya. So, I'm gonna put this glow. Yes. Tignan mo yan guys, hindi na ako nag-cut crease nito I mean, hindi na ako nag-use ng concealer. Guys, kung wala namang MAC Fix Plus, pwede naman sprayan ng water. And then I'm gonna go ahead and brush it on. So guys, I'm gonna finish the other eye and finish the rest of my face. So you'll see what happened. So guys, this is the final look. So guys, for my final thoughts, etong eyeshadow palette na to, ang ganda nito kasi you can make a lot of looks from this palette. From day to night, makakagawa ka ng looks na gusto mo. And bihira yung ganitong set ng palette, yung mga ganitong kulay. Kasi usually, ang mga palette na available dito is yung mga neutrals. Tapos yung iba naman, yung parang iba-iba yung kulay na ang hirap naman isuot. Kasi parang hindi naman siya for daily look mo or pang office look or pang get date night look mo kasi yung iba sobrang like yellow, blue, and violet, yung mga ganyan, medyo mahirap isuot. Pero this one is very wearable siya. So yung kulay niya wearable, and at the same time, I'm really tired of using neutrals na sa mata ko. And medyo nakakabata rin tong eyeshadow na to kasi medyo in the shade siya ng berry. So medyo parang pabata ng onti yung kulay niya. Para sa akin na. And then, it's very pigmented. It's also blendable. Slightly powdery siya. Pero, I don't mind it as long as nakukuha ko yung tamang kulay sa aking mata. Then, I'm okay with it. Texture niya, guys, creamy siya. Okay? Sobrang creamy niya. At madaling mag-glide sa aking eyes. And, it's worth it. Yung price niya, worth it. 1,150. Worth it siya sa price point niya. And napaka-worth it niya lalo na kung sale mo siya mabibili. Okay, so maraming matching. So, sobrang bongga nitong palette na to. I really like this palette and I hope you also enjoy watching me and having this review with you guys. So, guys, I hope you enjoy this video and please hit the thumbs like button if you really enjoy this video. And please don't forget to subscribe in my channel and click the ring button so you get notified for my next video. And guys, please comment down below yung mga komento nyo sa aking mga videos. And see you guys in my next video. Bye!